Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add MetaMask extension on iPhone. So actually, extension is not really the term for this, but you can just, download the app itself. So what you will have to do, you will just have to go to your app store and then you will search for MetaMask. So it should look like this. And what you will have to do is basically just click get, and then you will install the app and then open your MetaMask, and then you will just have to click tap you will just have to click get started, and then you will create your wallet or import wallet. And of course, you will have to set a strong password for your account, and you could also save your secret recovery praise offline. And by the way, you should confirm the recovery praise and your wallet is now ready to use. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.